let's see, I'm in Busan now, and it is cold and rainy with 4 degrees, yeah? Luckily, my awesome friend here picked me up with my bike at the airport, and we're gonna go get some smoked duck, yeah?
Yeah, 군제오리.
군제오리. Ah, the smoked ori was closed, so we're gonna have to do the spicy ori. $2. So cheap. You can get gas just at a little supermarket like this. Oh, awesome. I was gonna stay in a tent tonight along the river, but it's too cold and wet. Found a cheap hotel. Oh, good morning. Okay. Yesterday was very busy. We almost got it set up here. The kickstand that I brought from Japan doesn't fit on the bike because there's a little knob here on the frame. But other than that, thank you very much to Hunsu. Helped me so much yesterday. The weather's looking a lot better today. I've got 2.5 days left in South Korea, and then I take the ferry back to Fukuoka, Japan. Alright, 10 a.m., 6 degrees in Busan. Let's start. Nice drinking water. I don't know, these paths are pretty awesome. I don't know if I want to go back to Japan and cycle on the roads. I've only done 23 kilometers today. I think I'll try camp here, but I'm going to go across this pedestrian bridge to get to a convenience store to get some food. And I need a lighter for my stove. Got my lighter and my crazy hot beef jerky. Yeah. Bag in a bag. Nice. Well, it was still really early, so I've done another 10K after I had some lunch at a fast food place called Mom's Touch. Good chicken burger, cheap. Now I'll just keep going and see if I can find a place to camp. It's gonna be cold tonight. It's supposed to be down to about 2 or 3 degrees. I think I'm gonna stay here. Kind of just off the main bicycle path. On a little back path. But nobody's gone by here. Make some almond tea. I think I'm gonna stay here. Seems okay. It's gonna be cold tonight though. Oh man, that was colder than I expected. Frost covered the tent. And even 30 minutes before sunrise, still there's been 3 people ride their bikes past here already. So far the best thing about cycling in Korea is the garbage cans everywhere. Japan, hard to find, yeah. Oh, it's been a slow day. I've only done about 20K. Some of the gears are clicking. So I keep taking everything off and adjusting it. And then it seems okay. I put everything back on. It starts clicking again. I finally realized it's the bag that's pinching the cable. So finally got that adjusted. Hopefully it's okay. Just a random cow. Bulnimyeong. It's like ice slush. Oh, those noodles were good. I have exactly 24 hours until I have to board the ferry back to Japan. It's been 76K. I'm gonna turn around and head back to Busan now. That was perfect timing. Now I need to find some drinking water. The water in there from the tap didn't smell drinkable. There was people camping by the river, RVs and tents, but it's right under the highway, so really noisy. So then I was thinking to go where I had breakfast today, because that's on the way back to Busan. But that was right beside the railway tracks too, so that would be very noisy. So in this town there's one hotel. It was $25. And so the old lady, she wouldn't let me bring my bike into the room, so she put my bike in like this shed, and she didn't lock the shed. So then I went back in and locked my bike. I paid, she brought me into the room, she turned on the TV, and then she left. And I was like, wait, like, key? She's like, no, there's no key. I can lock from the inside, but I can't leave and come back. So then I said, I'm gonna go get my clothes and camera. And she's like, oh, okay. Look, there's even space for the bicycle here. But so I brought these 3 bags, and she's like, what are you doing? What's in those bags? Like, it's warm and I can have a shower, because tomorrow night on the ferry I probably won't get a good night's sleep either. So check this out. I didn't think there was a fridge in the room until I read this. Now I can keep my yogurt cool. Well, made it back to Busan. That was a short day. I didn't really stop. Just waiting for the ferry. It was too short, South Korea. I'll have to come back. It's time to go start the trip from Fukuoka to Tokyo now.